the moving average rainbow indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Traders can also read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and by dragging it onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, it starts drawing the moving average lines on the price chart. The moving average rainbow indicator is a special and practical tool that draws 8 moving averages at regular intervals, placing them side by side, and allows traders to identify overbought and oversold areas. Traders can use this indicator according to their strategy system by adjusting the period and changing the indicator's calculations, and they can enter buy or sell positions on the price chart. For example, in the Settings section, under Inputs, there are 3 options available to us, and in the first input, we can specify the calculation period for the moving average. In the second input, we can set the calculation basis, choosing from options such as close price, open price, high price, low price, median price, typical price, and finally weighted price, which is also included here. In the last input, we can also set the calculation method, choosing from 4 options: simple, exponential, smoothed, and finally linear weighted, which is included here. If we set the calculation periods based on short-term periods, we can, according to the direction of the price trend, act when the price moves above the green line. And when the price moves upwards from the green line and breaks out above it, we can enter a sell position and take our profit from the short-term position. And when the price crosses below the green line, we can, if the price reverses, enter a buy position and profit from the short-term price movement. But if we choose long-term periods, for example, here I set the period to 21. We can use the moving average to identify the direction of the price trend, and when the price crosses above the red line, we can enter a buy position if there is a price pullback. And when the price crosses below the red line, we can enter a sell position in the market if there is a price pullback. We can also use the areas and colors of the moving average as support zones in the market. The green area serves as the first zone and the red area as the second zone for resistance, and if the price crosses the red zone, we can anticipate a trend reversal in the market. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I'd be glad if you shared your thoughts and suggestions with us in the comments section.